Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by getting to the live signal quickly. Plug in and power the antenna, cable box, or streaming device, then switch your TV to the correct input. Once done, open the Live TV app or the tuner interface. If a login is required, enter your provider credentials now so you can access channels. Make sure your network indicator or signal strength shows stable reception. Weak signal causes buffering. This first step gets the system ready and places you at the channel guide. You now navigate the channels and guide. Press channel up/down or open the guide to scan the live lineup. Once you see programming, use the info or preview feature to confirm show details and start times and choose a channel. To save time later, mark favorites or apply filters so your preferred networks appear first. If you're on a streaming app, use search and categories. If on a tuner, tune directly by channel number. These steps reduce fumbling and get you watching faster. Finish by adjusting viewing options and using features. Set volume and captions, pick picture mode, and start recording with DVR if you want to save live shows. If you need to catch something you missed, use rewind or restart live where supported. If playback stalls or channels won't load, first reboot the TV or streaming device, then verify cable/antenna connections and your internet speed. If the problem persists, sign out and sign back into the app. That often clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.